And when multiple planets from alternate realities converge, the excess matter has to exist somewhere. Perhaps in alternate dimensions? We need to explore this further. Ah, it's you. Sorry about that. I wish I had some good news. It seems like we keep finding more danger around every corner of this world. But perhaps this danger could also work to our advantage. Convergence may have caused our current status quo, but we could also find a way to use it to our benefit. I've got the proof right here. This device separates particles and then fuses them together in new ways. I'm running an analysis on the errors displayed by those Ultron units, but I'm not sure that this is an issue that can be fixed by an updated programming code. Hope that helped.
He wants to shut them down. But the Ultrons are the heart of New Stark City's defense system. Hank knows that. Catch you later.
Time to swing into action. Ooh, that tickles!
From the reports that I'm receiving, some sort of armed militia may have been responsible for the base's power failure. And the damage? Stop by anytime. Thanks.